Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate balance confirmation Jasper report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the AR menu under the Accounts module. On this page, we have to select the AR Outstanding Details menu. Now the outstanding voucher-wise details page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Here we can see the outstanding voucher-wise details list. Now we have to click on the report option. On this list of reports page, we have to select the balance confirmation letter Jasper report. Here we have to select the export output format as PDF. Then we have to click on the submit button. If you want to download this report, just click on the download option to download the report. This is how to generate balance confirmation letter Jasper report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.